We talk about the application of the brass. So if you have read these all above information very carefully, then you can answer this thing without reading the terms, because if you have seen that it appearance look like as a golden, so that's why it is being used in a decorative items. Okay, plumbings and piping fittings, electrical components. Why electrical components? Because they are having the not that much of copper conductivity, but it has a moderate conductivity, so that we could use in electrical components, right? Marine hardwares and illumination castings. What are the advantages of the brass? The easy to work with and fabricate, resistant to the corrosion and wear that we have already discussed, can be polished to achieve the bright, attractive finish and the good acoustic properties used in the musical instrument. So it is also being used in the musical instrument just because of the acoustic properties. Okay, now come to the disadvantage. So what are the disadvantage? The lower strength compared to the steel. So what are the things that we have discussed till now? All are having the less strength as compared to steel. So steel is a good, right? We can see around us everything that we see. Most of the things is being made of steel. This is the main reason. Okay. So to attend, yeah, these densification means uh, zinc is basically going to be mixed into the copper. So D means we are basically limited. We are basically removing the zinc from. So dezincifications in certain corrosive environment, such as the highly saline waters. Here, the brass versatility and combination of the mechanical and aesthetic properties make it an essential material in industries ranging from construction to arts. So we have seen that why it is being used in the construction, and why, what are the properties that the brass have. That's why it is being used into the art as well. So it's a golden kind of appearance, which is basically the reason of decorative. Okay, and that decorative things is known as the art. Okay, and construction, that why, because they are having moderate conductivity, they are having the strength and hardness, they are also having the good, but not that much of copper, but still they are having you know a good. If we compare the strength of with the steel, then obviously it is as a less strength, but at the same time that we are going it at a very cheaper rate. Okay, so that's why it is a compromising material that we can use. So that's why it is written here, from construction to art. Everywhere it is being used